diamond painting. Instead of my normal unboxings, I'm going to do this a little bit different. I have 3 boxes that I found yesterday while I was organizing all of my drills and my diamond paintings. You can see a little bit in the background of my green baskets. Those are all my drills. I have one for square, one for round, and one that's half and half. And every bag is marked and labeled so that if I pull my canvas out of my stash, I can go to the right basket and find the drills, or I can choose from the drills and go to my stash and sift through to find the canvas. May not be the best way, but the canvases are all laying flat, the drills are all organized, nothing's happening to them. So while I was cleaning up, I found 3 boxes. And I just have no idea what they are. I don't know if they're diamond paintings I ordered at the beginning and didn't unbox them. I'm guessing that's what they are. So we're going to unbox them today, and to make it interesting, I asked my friends in the Facebook group to guess what's in them. And I said, don't be vague, like don't say florals, because everyone knows I love florals. Say what kind of flower. Is it a rose? Is it a daisy? Is it a peony, which is my favorite also? A lot of people guessed. Well, I said whoever guessed it first gets it. So read the comments and don't duplicate anybody's guess, which still happened, but we got everybody going. So I've closed the commenting for right now. I'm gonna see what's in here. Baby, you are in my way, Missy. She doesn't care. So whatever this is a 40 by 50. And, it's a floral. And here's the thing, I don't know if I can find the pictures or the record of buying these, so I will not be putting links up. But here's the picture. It looks like a Zen photo with candles and pink flowers. Now, what I'm said about the comment is if somebody guesses what's in what the diamond painting is of, that I will give it to them. So we had a lot of specific flowers, and someone did guess pink flower. And I think English was her second language, and she said, please don't make me go get a dictionary to look up the flower names, which really made me laugh. Okay, I'm sorry whoever won this. I am ripping the paper. I will make sure it's down flat. Let me very gently do all 4 corners. Now, please don't say, it's unfair or I wanted to win. Everybody wants to win. I know that. But somebody won, so let's be happy for them. Congratulations to whoever won. I'll get send me your address and I will get this out to you. The reason I'm giving them away, I don't have a ton of money that I can really afford to give all these things away or buy them for other people, but I do have enough to do for the rest of my life. And buying these makes me happy. Having them in my collection makes me happy. Like a lot of you, I love to organize and make things neat and fancy. And I like to make other people happy. So if you didn't win, hang in there. You know, I do these little surprise contests. Here's the picture for you up close. You can see candles, a little bowl, and these beautiful pink flowers, which look to me like cherry blossoms. If I could stop ripping this paper, I would be so happy. I just want you to see it. Don't worry, I'll make sure it's all covered up and nothing is exposed when I send it to you. Alright, so here's the picture. It is a 40 by 50 full drill square. Beautiful colors. I really hope you like doing it and we'll share pictures of it with us. There's a lot of very pretty peach, like a stone gray. There's a lot of grays. It's, like I said, it's a very zen feeling to this. Some beautiful pinks and lilac colors. Very nice. And let's see, they've got an inventory sheet and it's been all checked off. The drills look good. I don't see any problems with them. That's wonderful. I know you're waiting now, so let me get to the next one. This is just beautiful. So, pink flowers it is. Oh, toolkit. Here's the toolkit. It's a standard white boat, big thing of wax, a pen that is poking out, pink single drill pen, and tweezers. Excellent. Let's see what's next. There we go. Shipping is gonna kill me on these. I don't think I was prepared for how high shipping is right now. And I don't have UPS in my area, but I had someone at a local business send it for me, and then I paid her, and I also went to UPS store. Oh, this one is the dragonfly. You know the dragonfly. Someone in the group just put hers up. I think it was you, Tanya, that she did for a friend. And it's the same one. Oh, hold on. I got a low battery. There we go. Here it is. It's a dragonfly. I wonder if anybody guessed dragonfly. I'm going to have to look. And it has a standard kit, white boat with a funnel, single pen, pink wax, tweezers, and bags with this one. I love this one. The colors are so pretty. Let me show you the canvas. It is a 40 by 50 full drill round. 40 by 50. Oh, and they even cut the paper. That's so lovely. Thank you, whoever did this. You know, I was thinking about this one the other day, that I remembered buying it. I see a lot of dragonflies, and I think I've bought 2 of them now. The other one is a little more colorful. This one is like pastels and things. Very pretty. Can you see that? There you go. This is the one they put the little circles around the symbols. Symbols look kind of tough. There's a lot of colors. How many colors are there? 22, more than 32. I'm trying to see the back of the paper. All right, let me take it out for you. Colors, and the symbols are, oh, has that plasticky china smell. The symbols are all, they've got that circle around them, so they're a little tougher to read. It'll be fine. You know, the light pad works wonders. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. Now, if nobody guessed dragonfly, I'm going to keep it. You know, I got plenty to give away to people in the group. This was a Facebook group thing that I did, not for the YouTube. I do some on Facebook, some on YouTube. This one was a surprise. I didn't have it planned. I just said, hey, I found these 3 boxes. Let's have a contest. Okay, here comes the last one. Oh, it's really well packaged. It's a hurricane. It's around a foam roller. And it is a great big pot of purple flowers. Sadly, they're not any that anybody guessed, but here you go. I'll put the oh no, there's probably no inventory on hurricane, right? There. I don't know what kind of flowers those are. Here comes the tools. Got their sparkly pen with the blue squishy grip, single end and a 3-tip with tweezers, a big double chunk of wax, and a white funnel. Oh, and there's a 6-tip on the back here also, which is nice. Wow. This is packaged up so nice. It's a full drill round, 50 by 40 with 35 colors. Now, don't worry about it popping up, because this is from when I first started. So it's back in April. So it's before they had all the problems. Wow, it's really wrapped tight. I'm going to leave it. I don't know if anybody guessed these flowers, but here it is. But if nobody guessed this one, I'll keep the dragonfly, unless someone guessed it, and I will raffle this one off in the group. So if you're not in the Facebook group, come find us. It's called Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Easy to remember. And you too could be a winner. Have a great day. I'm going to go make sure BB stops barking at whoever she's barking at. And you take care. Thanks for joining me. I hope you thought this was fun. Take care. Bye-bye.